YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Back at it again today with another What's in the Box for you guys on Zodiac's Quattro Sport Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. We are actually going to show you guys the entire top canister with the filter assembly, part number R0836200. So we're going to show you guys what comes in this box and what to expect. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got a Zodiac part for you guys on the Quattro Sport. That is their pressure side pool cleaner. Really beefy cleaner. If you guys had the opportunity to look at the Quattro Sport, it's a really cool cleaner, four-wheel cleaner, the big roller brush on the front. Definitely heavy duty line coming from Zodiac on the pressure cleaners. Really cool. I think we've actually got a video for you guys on putting one of those in a pool so you guys can kind of see it in action. So this part alone is going to be the entire top filter assembly as well as like the lid. So I'm going to kind of show you guys what comes in the box. Again, the part number that you're going to reference is R as in Roger, 0836200. So again, we'll have a link in the description for you guys so you guys can check it out directly on the website and kind of see some other up close pictures. But it kind of sends you this monstrosity of a box for a small part. So this is the only thing inside this monster box. It is really nice. Again, if you guys have seen our What's in the Box on the Quattro Sport, it was packaged really beautifully. Of course, it always has those films all on the outside so that everything stays nice and pretty as it shows up to you guys, because when you're spending the kind of money on a cleaner like that, they want to make sure that it shows up to you nice. So it's really cool that they take the time. They'll bubble wrap all of this. And then again, similar to how the Quattro Sport looked when you first got it, it's got the actual sticky blue film here on the top to keep everything nice and pristine for you. So again, we do walk you guys through how to change the filter in some of those, so that way you guys know what to expect. Again, this is meant to just give you the actual top with the filter assembly. So over time, this top is going to age in terms of chemical composition and usage and sun, just because that's what's normally going to take the brute of all of the UV lights coming through the actual water. So you're going to get a little tinge to your blue. You may not be able to see so much through the actual clear glass that this offers. So then that way you guys can actually see if your filter's full. So again, if that's the choice, instead of buying just the top separately, I would highly suggest buying this part, just because it's going to give you this new fine mesh filter that's going to come with it as well. So again, huge filter. So depending on the size of the debris that you guys have going on, it's really nice. They give you this big filter to catch all of that stuff. So then that way you guys aren't having to worry about cleaning your actual filter often. So really cool that they're going to throw that in there. And then again, really simple to put back on. Everything just clips back together. So again, check out the links in the description. We'll take you guys directly to the website so you guys can actually see some more of this without this kind of cool plastic on there. I don't want to take this off because it's nice and pretty. So if you guys want to see some other up close and personal pictures, as well as some more information on the description, again, check out the links in the description. So just want to show you guys what comes in the box and what to expect when you're buying this Quattro Sport part. So I really appreciate you guys watching. And until next time, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you then.